Okay, we are eating, what are we eating? Mouse food?
Mouse and rat.
I want
Are you
one.
kidding?
I'll try
I'm
it.
eating one, Callie.
I'm
I'm eating one.
Wait, you got me a pebble. Are you eating this? Are you eating the same thing?
I'm eating a soap.
I am.
I want...
I like them.
a pebble.
Wait.
Wait, I'm eating it, Callie.
But you're not... I'm scared to eat this. Okay, I'm gonna...
Piss. Did you just eat the pellet?
We should dump it everywhere.
It tastes like shit. I know.
Will you dump it?
It was in the tongue ring.
Thank you, sweetheart. I think I broke it.
Allie, eat like a ton of it.
Should we just...
I know, right? What if Daniel came in here and I was like,
Daniel, is that your new friend, Dan?
yes.
Hey, Daniel.
Hey, where are the cameras? Everywhere. Where at?
They're like little black things hanging from the ceiling.
Will you dump this real quick?
I'm not doing it. Daniel's gonna be angry with you.
Bro, Daniel.
Hey, what about this?
Oh, this is like bird